Hello. And hello Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aquarius, we're going straight into your messages. So let's get an overall message, go into your reading, and then get some messages to close it out. And we'll be done like that. Let's go. Aquarius, the aliens. We have the Wheel of Fortune coming out for you, Aquarius. So I'm getting something is coming to an end. A completion is happening. All right. Now somebody could also be Jewish. All right. Don't know if that's a thing. Hold on. I'm also getting something with a Capricorn. I'm also getting you want a shift when it comes on to either spirituality, your health, or your career. You want something new. I'm getting you feeling stuck. You're feeling like you're at a dead-end job, a dead-end relationship, a dead-end place. You have no creative endeavors pursuing at the moment. So I'm getting you want to change. All right, so let's see what's in your tarot. Aquarius. We got the Death card coming out first. Yeah, you want a change. I'm getting you want a change. Now maybe something is changing. You are. I'm getting if you are an Orthodox Jewish man, you're going to turn on. I'm getting if you used to dress up in a Jewish suit, you're going to dress up in a clothes now. I'm getting you're now becoming an unorthodox Jewish man. Or I'm getting you're not as religious as you once were. Something like that. I'm getting your religion, something about the religion has died. Something has died. Maybe someone has died, okay? We have the Emperor. Yeah, I'm getting somebody got dead. The Emperor got dead. Somebody might be an Aries. Or I'm getting somebody get very, very sick. Or I'm getting something is under new management. But I'm getting something about this long bearded man. The beard long and white. Just like the Emperor. He could be Jewish. There's something going on with him. I don't know if I'm dead or I'm gonna get really, really sick. Yeah, the 8 of Cups. Somebody likes to drink a lot. I'm getting something about a heart attack. The 6 of Cups. Yeah, something about a heart attack. You're gonna have a heart attack while you drink. I'm getting nobody now around you to help you. The King of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting is a Gemini man. It could have been a Gemini. I'm getting somebody cut the card or them pull the plug. Somebody might have been on life support for like 9 months now. I'm getting somebody pull the plug or something like that. Or I'm getting you go on your own pilgrimage now. You leave the religion, you take off the costume and you start dress normal. You go on a pilgrimage. You might even go visit a church where you're not the religion of. You're gonna want church when you really usually visit a mosque or something like that. We have the 2 of Wands. We have the Page of Pentacles. We have the 6 of Swords. We have the King of Wands and Queen of Wands. So we have husband and wife here. I'm getting the Emperor going to get sick. Now I'm getting when the Emperor gets sick, our husband and wife are going to take over. I'm getting the Emperor got poisoned. The Emperor get poisoned for step down so that the husband and wife could have stepped up. I don't know what this is happening. And I want to say the husband and wife that's taking over, they're not religious people. I'm getting something, I don't know, but don't like some of them heart. Some of them heart bother me. It could be brother and sister. But me getting husband and wife are set up. Or me getting, you see, the Emperor dead. I because the 2 brother and sister them. One of the brother them I want Leo and the sister I want Leo too. Both of them is Leos. Me getting if the Emperor, if the Jewish man is dead, one Emperor, one big Emperor Jewish man, me getting something about one heart attack him gonna have. Him gonna have one heart attack. I don't know if the heart attack will kill him or it's going to send him to the hospital. I'm getting, you want to know who for blood clot head for go off of? I'm getting the brother and sister them, the Libra. The 2 of them are Leo. The one that with the blood clot lion. Me getting a there. Me getting something about poison. You forget poison, so this couple or this brother and sister gonna take over. Or them a try to poison this Jewish man. Them gonna tell the whole, come like the fucking Last Supper. Come make the whole we eat and the whole gonna just drink and drop the fuck down. Watch what gonna happen. I'm gonna name this reading the Last Supper. I swear that's what's happening. All expense paid. I don't know if you're gonna see this in time and you're not gonna show up. Justice. The Hierophant. You hear Buwanyo. Me getting a one brother and sister do this. Two Leo. If it's not a brother and sister, a husband and wife, them gonna poison this Jewish man. Cause them want to hide something. Them gonna poison him and them gonna kill him to hide something. Because usually that's the first place poison work to your heart. Poison usually induce a heart attack. If you did not know that, I know that because I've experienced a heart attack before. We have phone number. We have program and we have Libra and we have the devil. Libra is the fucking devil. He is the devil. You don't know that? You don't think I know that? You think me know so the blood clot Libra devil? So go ahead and use your godliness to rid the devil. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.